Happy birthday, Mother!
Happy birthday, Nanay! I love you! Happy birthday, Nanay! Happy birthday, Mother! Happy birthday, Mother! Happy birthday, Mother! Happy Mother! Happy birthday po, ate!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po, Miss Jade from TPE.
Happy birthday, Nanay! God bless you!
Happy birthday, Miss Jade!
Happy birthday, Nanay!
At then sabihin ko, baka mapalo up ko yung Hi Jade, happy birthday! 40 years old na tayo, so yan. So I wish you good health, be more blessings, and yeah, stay happy.
Hi, Mother! Happy birthday! See you soon!
Are you happy? Happy? Say hi! Are you say happy birthday, Nanay? Dali! Wow! Sweet naman eh!
Birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
One thing I can say about Jade is she is a really good planner. Every time that I know it's Jade that plans it, I feel relaxed and I don't need to worry. We just need to contribute some money and then Jade will execute the plan perfectly. Also, Jade is like a glue in the family. She is the one keeping us together, keeping the communication. And we're very thankful that I am blessed with a sister that is very smart, really good in planning, very sweet and caring for every one of us. So Jade, happy birthday. I hope you enjoy this day and I hope you have many years to come. I love you and everyone in the family loves you so much.
For this year, sa akin ito na anniversary, sinusulat ko pa yan. Happy birthday.
Sana all my best.
I hope you enjoy ko yun eh. So ito lang kasi si May sa si Chris, sabi nila it's all secret eh. So I'm sorry na nag-lie ako today.
Ganda lang po, makikinig ako.
Hindi mo naman eh.
Baby number 3.
On every woman's success, there always a man. You know? since yung special day mo coming na, no, so I would like to thank you for all the things that you have done. So you plan for everything. You are a very good planner inside and out personal work. So
Great team indeed.
thank you. Wala na kina main si Crystal sa po. Since December pa ako nito, ang haba ng plano nito eh. Di ba? So, ayun, one year remaining ako. Last year pa. So, thank you for coming sa Las Baguas namin sa Raymond, sa Napata. So, the rest of the message, sa mamayang gabi na lang bubuk.
Ako'y nagpapasalamat na sino nga ano rito sa mga birthday ng anak ko. Pati ako nga na surprise din kagabi, hindi ko alam. Ano dito sa grupo dito, nagpapasalamat ako na kayo ang nagplano. You're a good planner talaga kasi grupo planners dito eh. Actually, kagabi hindi ko na ano seryoso, sabi niya, punta kayo doon, dito ganito. Sabi niya doon ba, pero hindi ko talaga alam na hindi pala dito. Oo, takala ka kasi for this occasion. Thank you.
Buti na lang hindi ako umiyak. First, thank you so much for the time, for the effort. Actually, level up ang surprise So, no hints at all. Talagang, buti niyo ako nag-isip bakit sa'yo di bumali ng sobrang aga. Saan niya nalaman? yun lang yung hint na posible. Pero hindi ko pa rin na kanina kasi straight yung Again, thank you so much. Sa team ko muna, I would say, best team indeed. I would never want to do any other team. So, sa friends, actually, all of these people, except sa family ko, talagang they are workmates turned to families. I'm so grateful for the 40 years plus bringing people to my life na not only workmates but really I consider family. So, thank you so much not only for this occasion but for also being part of my, maybe half of my 40 years of existence. Siguro aside kay Papa, next to that sa Raymond, nasa ko si Chris na yung pinakamatagal na naging part ng buhay ko. And they were so great friends, I cherish them. May not be brother and sister biologically, pero by heart, they are. So, I appreciate you and all of the friends and team members. I appreciate every one of you and the uniqueness in you. So, thank you.
Hindi naman po nagpapasalamat po kami. Sabi ko naman yung birthday po ni Ma'am Jade. At sa lahat po na nandito, maraming salamat po. Lahat naman po tayo mag-iingat pag-uwi. At again, happy birthday